Okay, so making our collage contact sheet, we checked our folder in our school account and make sure that you have all 15 of your internet pictures here, which this obviously is not because that's just a quick example. And then in Photoshop now, we were checking using that little folder on our toolbar, but now we're in Photoshop. So if you have anything open in Photoshop, just X out of that so we can move on together. You're going to go File in Photoshop, File, Automate, it's towards the bottom, and then click on Contact Sheet 2. So File, Automate, Contact Sheet 2. And then at the top, see where it says choose ... You're clicking on that, and this thing comes up. I want you to, here's probably what yours looks like. Click on your student ID, then all this stuff pops out. Click on your photo class folder. Click on your collage pictures folder. And once you're on the right place, you can just press OK. Once you know you've selected the right folder. Anybody stuck? Okay. Well, I'll help. I'll show it, and then I'll help the people that need help. Hold on. Shh, 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 shh. Don't talk, just listen. Don't talk, just listen. Don't talk, just listen. Okay. We selected our folder. We literally just clicked on the folder that our internet pictures are in. So simple. In our school account, in our photo class folder, in our internet pictures folder. Then we pressed OK. And now it says internet pics. If you're stuck, just wait and watch. Don't worry about changing the size. The resolution should always be 300. And then at the bottom, you want to just make sure that this checkbox is checked, the one that says use file name as caption. Now watch what happens. Once you press OK, Photoshop is going to begin the automate process. So it has created a new page. If you watch my layers over here, those are going to start changing. And it would have actually worked if I clicked on the right folder. So File, Automate, Contact Sheet 2. I picked a folder that only had one picture in it. Whoopsie. Let's try this one. Blah, blah, blah. Press OK. So now look at those layers on the side. See them? See them on my screen? Not your screen. I'm showing you on my screen. So these layers are all changing, and now it is finished. So Photoshop brought in each of the pictures from the folder, and it made a text layer to label each of your images, and then you have your contact sheet. Once you're done with it, you're going to press File, Save As, and you're saving it in your account as always, but it should also go in the Turn-In folder. So for your class, hit read. And then in the self-portrait collage folder, you should rename this. So like if this is my contact sheet, I'm putting read, Rachel contact sheet .jpg. We want this to be a JPEG. We don't need layers. So I need to make sure that I change the .jpg and that I also changed the drop down, and then I'm pressing save. When this comes up, I always drag the slider to 12 and I press OK. Now when I go back to that Turn-In folder where we were just checking a minute ago, I should see my contact sheet and then my collage right next to each other because I saved both of my files, last name, first name. Okay? So